bafethu i-crime e-America mengiyicompare ne-crime e-South Africa, I wouldn't say they are the same. E-South Africa i-crime abantu bakhona bo-clever, ba-smart blind, ungathi bayifundele kuyabona ba-advanced, they get away with it like crime bayifundele labantu mfethu, and i-crime yakhona ihlangane namagata wakhona ayenza izinto ezi-off kuyabona, whereby lana e-America amagata afuna ukuba amahero, amagata abhaya yiyo afuna ukuba amahero kuyabona, afuna ukupraiswa for anything ebayenzayo, like ukukhetha igebengu, bamba igebengu mfethu, it's a big deal to them. Bahlala bafuna inkinga nje, they're always looking for trouble. Mongabhekisisa kahle nakuma video vele lawa trendayo nani, they're always looking for trouble, they're always looking for umuntu nje ongathi kuyabona, they're suspicious of anyone and everyone. So to give you an example, ngiyakhona ukuye garage, like a gas station, petrol station, ngiyothela ngishiya imoto yami iduma mfethu ngaphandle, uyangithola, and mina mengihamba nge-VW, and ngiyayazi i-VW ke ekhaya ukuthi yes ziyahamba lezi zinto, like angeke ushiye imoto iduma, uma uyikhiya kumele ucheck-e nomnyango kayi-3 ukuthi ukhiwe, uyangithola. So mina eyami ngishiya iduma yonke into mnandi, like especially nge-winter, because ufuna ifudumale kewabona, so you leave it iduma. I-truck yami I leave it unlocked, ngishiya nekhiya phakathi, khona i-black nyana la ngizibeka khona futhi ziyabonakala, ngiyazishiya kewabona. So it's not something that you could do eMzansi leyo. So i-crime yasemzansi bafethu, i-crime yasemzansi, i-crime yasemzansi mina ngiyayisaba vele, ngoba abantu bakhona abo-clever too much. Abo-clever blind. So mase kufika kulezo zinto vele, I could honestly say ukuthi mina I've never come across nje i-crime ongathi nje ibhekele njengasekhaya, yabona e-America. So yeah. Oh, and ngicela ukukhumbula enye into, there was this one time ngitravela and ngicela ukuthela i-diesel phakathi kwe-truck yami, and then mengijahile, so ngakhohlwa i-wallet yami yabona outside the window le cash register, ngikhohlwe lapho, and there was someone behind me. Loyo muntu lo bekasemva kwami uyibonile le wallet le, and wangilandela, and I was ready to leave, wangilandela wagijima athi ntwana nayo i-wallet yakho nani unginike le wallet,